Email marketing is on the rise. Having the right email software to do all of your marketing is essential. Today we're going to go and take Mailchimp. We're going to integrate it with Squarespace. Let's dive in. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we are logged into Mailchimp, and we're going to go from the left-hand side and look for integrations. From integrations, we are going to make sure that we are on Discover, and here you can actually dial in Squarespace. Let's hit enter and you'll have two results. What you want to be using here is the Squarespace Commerce. Let's click on this, and here you will see all the details as well as a connect button. Let's click on the connect button. Let's go ahead and click on continue on this page. You're just giving permissions now. And here it says we have no websites, but we can go and create a site, or we can just go and say back to login. Let's go ahead and use our Google account to log in. You'll now land on this page over here. You can see that you can review all of the settings, but for now we're going to just click on sync now on the bottom right hand side of the screen. And you'll see now that it is connected. This is my Squarespace and it does say that it is connected.